On the front, if the psoas is tight like this, notice what will happen in the back. The disc will bulge in the back and move into these nerve roots, and then we'll get a nerve compression syndrome, and we'll have sciatic pain going down the legs because there's a bulging of the disc caused by a tightening of the muscles. So in most places in our body, it's important that the tightness, or what we call tonus, the tone of the muscle, is balanced between muscles that flex bones and muscles that extend them. The movement patterns, and that is the function of muscles, by the way, is to create movement. So when we have abnormal movement patterns, we have abnormal posture patterns. When muscles are too tight and malfunctioning, we'll have poor biomechanics. Like I explained, one arm may move in front of the chest if these chest muscles are too tight, which in turn can affect the low back. It's the old adage, thigh bone's connected to the hip bone, that sort of thing. Well, the muscles influence where the bones are in space. Now, another factor in this low back is that notice these spaces in between the vertebrae where the discs are. When we get down here to the fifth lumbar and to the sacrum, what we're seeing here is a tremendous compression because of this arching, and this disc here will disintegrate soon. And notice these openings here on the X-ray, and when we get down here, that opening is very small. That means that the nerve root coming out of the base of our spine is being compressed. And that can lead to a great deal of pain and spasming of all the muscles that nerve supplies with energy.